The gadget in focus is called Litheli FrozenPack. It can be viewed as multifunctional. It can meet the needs of people who consume foods and beverages during outdoor leisure activities or journeys. Here are some of its standout features. 1. Backpack design. As noted earlier, the FrozenPack is not located in a car like most car fridges. Instead, it is designed as a backpack. This makes it convenient to carry on hiking, picnicking, or any other outdoor activities. 2. Wide temperature range. One can set temperatures ranging from 4°F to 68 Fahrenheit. This lets you keep your products frozen or warm respectively. 3. Rapid cooling. The FrozenPack can chill the product. It cools from 77 degF to 32 degF in no more than 15 minutes. This rapid cooling is highly efficient. 4. Dual power options. It can be charged through a car cigarette port. It can also be charged through detachable batteries. This makes it versatile depending on the use. 5. Large capacity. With 42, it means 1% of the capacity takes one volume of the packing space. The competing fridge model lavishes 77% more packing area for one with the same size. 6. 3-layer insulation. Exceptional heat insulation is provided by TPU8, 40 fabric, PU, and EPE inner layer. This combination maintains the cool temperature inside for your items for up to 4 hours without the plug. 7. LED display. The LED display signifies the present temperature. You can make adjustments in a unit of 1 degF only. 8. Water resistant. The TPU8, 40 is the fabric used in the construction of the exterior part of this bag. It is water resistant. Hence, it can be used in different activities outside the usual setting. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Litheli FrozenPack. Pros: portability, temperature control, durability, multiple compartments, USB charging port. Cons: limited capacity, weight, power requirements, price. Overall, this is a rather convenient and unique product from Litheli called FrozenPack. It is perfect for those who want to have something cold while being active outdoors, but one has to take note of the limitations of the UPS. For instance, consider the capacity and available power before purchasing it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.